This method can help answer key questions in the materials chemistry field and in photophysics regarding the nature of the emissive states in photoluminescent materials. The main advantage of this technique is that all emission spectra are available from 0 time to seconds of delay.
To begin, prepare 4 milliliters of a solution of the chosen luminescent compound in solvent, as described in the text protocol. Pour the solution into the degassing cuvette and close the valve. Then, connect the vacuum pump to the inlet neck of a degassing cuvette. Hold the inlet neck of the cuvette and slowly put the round-bottom flask into liquid nitrogen. Shake it occasionally while the flask is in liquid nitrogen. To ensure the whole solution is frozen, shake the round-bottom flask. Turn on the vacuum pump and open the inlet valve. After 10 minutes, close the inlet valve and turn off the vacuum pump. Slowly place the round-bottom flask into isopropanol. Shake the cuvette occasionally until the solvent is melted. If the degassing has been successful, air coming out of the solution should be observed upon the first cycle in the form of bubbles. Now, warm up the solution in the cuvette to room temperature. Either use a water bath or wait for the temperature to equilibrate. Turn on the laser system. After waiting about 30 minutes for the beam to be stabilized on the output pump power, use the power meter to measure the laser fluence. The reading should be approximately 100 microjoules per pulse.